Okay, we are getting ready to take the ACT Diagnostic. So as you can see, I'm logging in as a student. So we're going to go in. Oh, and also too, make sure that you're going to the website. You're just logging in as normal. The website is learn.winwardacademy.com. It comes to the login page. So you would log in this way by using your email address and your password. Once you actually log in, then we would go as a student and go over to the left side and go to practice test. Go to practice test, and we want to make sure here that, and this test is not open. So let me go to, this is the diagnostic here. So we'd actually go to review diagnostic. You'll see different things here because this is the student's demo. So let me go back. So I'm going to go here and take the ACT, act like this is the diagnostic, right? So you're going to go here, you can print the Scantron. Now, if you're printing the Scantron, you also need the printed exam. So the exam can be given to you by your teacher, by your mentor, or by your parent. So they will have access to the printed exam. And then also, if you are taking this test alone, then you can actually do a video proctor by going to ACT regular time or extended time, and it comes out in a video. And then the video is actually 3 minutes and 36 seconds. And so you would actually play the video like you are taking the test. And so you would just go through and start the video. It starts off at English, tells you 45 minutes, 75 questions, and you just let it play until the time runs out. And then it goes straight into math. So we're going to close that for now. So once you actually take the diagnostic, and then you actually would have the Scantron bubble in your answers and all of those things, then you would actually go down and put your scores into the system, and it's going to grade it for you. So you put your answers in here, you'll get the score for your ACT. And then this is where you would bubble in all of your answers. It will automatically grade for you. And then once you actually do that, it will score the test and it will give you your score for that particular subject. Make sure you have all of the subjects taken care of here, and then you'll have your composite score, and it will show on your dashboard. Your dashboard is over here on the side, and we will go to dashboard, and then your scoring will be down at the bottom down here. So let us know if you have any questions.